Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And right now, today, oh yeah, or today guys, and I'm good, yeah, fine. And today I'm going to campus with my friend, yeah. Okay, and this is and right now with campus study and learning English. Yeah, do you know learning English? Yeah, so this this bit, yeah, and and you, this is okay guys. Assalamualaikum. Okay, bro. And hey guys, you bro,
Yeah,
how's day?
I'm wake up late bro.
Okay, why?
Because no, not every single my friend is waking me up.
Oh, okay.
So I panic. You know panic.
Yeah, it's very okay guys. District in the campus, yeah, and wow, okay. You can swimming, yeah. You guys, and so this is campus, straight into campus, and this is quite masjid in the campus. Then that is campus English. Okay, hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Uh, yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Okay, bye.